All right, so what I want to do next, now that I have all the testing done on all these so far, I still have the Liqui molygen on here. This is a new bearing, and I pre-lubed it up, which I will on all of them, like so. That way it's not a dry start. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna see how many weights it'll take before it fails. It's probably not good for the machine, but we'll see. For testing purposes, once it quiets down, you'll hear it. I'll add weight to it and wait probably 5 seconds. Add another one. I'll do them all the same, and then we'll see the fail point of each one. So we'll start with this guy. Green. Okay, see there it goes, quieted down. We'll add one. Two. Three. So a total of four. And a total of 5. Doing pretty good. 6. Okay. So the 6th one killed it. Wasn't bad. Problem is it just doesn't do good in general, this one, so it's kind of the issue with it. But so that one survived. The 5th one, the 6th one killed it right away. Okay, so I dumped out the Liqui molygen, cleaned it out, rotated the bearing. She's ready to go. Up next is the Ultra Platinum. I'm going to pre-lube it again. Get her all mixed up. She's good to go. One weight as always, bear with me. And now we're gonna, once it quiets down, we'll start adding weight, see how she takes it. All right, after a few seconds, let's see, weight number 2. Weight number 3. Weight number 4. Now number 5. Now number 6. Seven. 8. So the 8th one instantly killed it. But it lasted longer than the molygen. Going to clean it out, do the same process, and we're gonna do the next one. Bear with me. All right, guys, up next, Valvoline Restore and Protect. I had a couple of requests for that one. Bearings rotated, it's cleaned out. One weight is on there. I'm gonna pre-lube it as always. That way it's not a dry start. We have one on there. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total of 10. I pulled 2 more out of there in case some of these guys get too high. But she's ready to go. Start adding weight once she quiets down, same as the others. All right. 2. Give it a sec. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7th one killed it. The 7th one killed it for Valvoline so far. All right, same process. Bearings rotated, it's cleaned out. Got one weight back on her. We swapped everything over. We are now running the Rotella T6, which is probably one of the more popular ones for sure. And I'm gonna pre-lube it up like the others. Bear with me on this. That way it's not a dry start. I'm gonna set her down and I'm gonna fire her up and add weight once she quiets down, same as all the others. Right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 8. 8 killed it. Did pretty good. 8th one killed it. All right. Same process again. She's ready to go. Bearing rotated, cleaned out, 1 weight. Got the other 9 waiting. Ready to go. I'm gonna preload it. This is the Castrol Gtx full synthetic. 10,000 miles, 6 times better wear protection. Preload it. So it's not a dry start again. Bear with me. Set her down. Give it a rip. Start adding weight when she quiets down. Let's go. All right. We struggled a little to start up on that one. 2. Make sure it's on camera the whole time. 3. 4. Doesn't like it. Yeah, that one did not like it. That one died, I think, the earliest so far. Do the same thing, and we're gonna jump over the Amsoil next, and then we'll go to the Uhp Innovation oil last. All right, up next, got her all cleaned out, rotated again, 1 weight on there, 9 more waiting. We are doing the Amsoil Signature series. Gonna preload it like the others. There we go. Set it back down. It's not a dry start. Gonna start adding when she quiets down. Let's go. All right. 2, 3, 4, 'Died out in 4. She didn't like it. Clean it up and do the very last one, the Uhp Innovation High Performance Oil. Guys, same thing. Got it cleaned up. Bearing rotated, 1 weight on there, 9 waiting. Got the Uhp Innovation High Performance Oil on here, which is the last of the bunch. Going to preload it, pre-lube it like the others. Bear with me. This one has a nice blue tint. It's not a dry start. Set her back down, and we're gonna go for it and add weight when she quiets down. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't have any more weights. but she's taking all 10 pounds, no problem. None of the others were able to do that. If I can get it to balance on there. This is damn near full. It's only missing, you know, what we used to test. And there we have it. Wish I had some more weights. We can actually find, you know, where I would fail at. Maybe 15 or 20 or something, but. All right, a little bonus video. Let's see how it goes. I have one weight on there, which these are each 1 pound. So it just withstood all 10 of them, which is 10 pounds, plus this, which is around another 4 pounds, 4 or 5. So it can do 14 or 15. I wonder if it can do 26. So we're gonna find that out right now. Pre-lube it up and give it a shot. Not sure how it's gonna go, but we're gonna try it. I might tip the machine actually, I don't know. We're gonna find out. It's holding it. This is a legit 25 pounder. That's 26 pounds on it. Let's see what the bearing looks like because I rotated it. I'm just curious. Should be some damage on it for sure. I'm curious as to how much. Not that much. I could see a little part at the bottom. It was so much weight on it, but the oil definitely did its job. Between the lines, I don't think we need no ties. Rather not associate with suckers. We don't need no ties. Sick of niggas acting like they motherfucking sneaker size. You ain't real, I knew it. You too good at playing peek and high.